In today's class we will be learning the topic, political party. Political party can be defined as association of people with similar political ideology who come together for the purpose of contesting election in order to gain political power and control government. The primary objective of any political party is to control government. They usually conduct primary elections within the party to select a flag bearer or candidate that will represent them during general election. Their membership cuts across different interest groups, class, ethnic boundaries and profession. How political parties compete for power through election. Below are some of the activities they engage in when competing for election. Design of manifesto. A manifesto outlines a political party's agenda and key programs for implementation if elected into office, crafted to attract public support during elections. Campaign. Political parties gather to promote their manifesto to the public, using these events to seek voter support. Primary election. This internal party election selects the candidate to represent the party in general elections at various levels, including ward, local government, state, or federal. Education of voters. Parties educate followers on how to correctly cast their votes, preventing deception and reducing nullification of votes. Selection of credible candidates. Parties carefully choose candidates with good reputations to attract voters, often individuals with popularity or from esteemed families. Welfare. Parties sometimes distribute items and funds to the needy to secure votes, with the expectation of continued support if the party gains power. Mobilization. Party members conduct door-to-door and one-on-one campaigns to garner voter support. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.